Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm a partner and personal stylist at John Lewis & Partners, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Fujifilm X-T200 Vlogger Kit. There's so many features of the X-T200 that I like. It takes really great high quality 4K pictures and has HD video recording as well. I really like the retro feel to it, and it's lightweight and compact for travelling around with. Possibly my favourite thing about the X-T200 is how quick and easy it is to use. It's touchscreen, so you can just swipe through. It's then really easy to upload the photos onto your camera roll. The Fujifilm X-T200 Vlogger Kit is a definite 5-star from me. I think this is perfect for any blogger or vlogger that is wanting to switch to a camera, and if you're a little bit new to it, don't worry, they are so easy to use. If I can figure it out, you can.